If you're managing leads in Excel, you know the pain. Manually finding the number in Excel sheets, dialing it to your phone, and then saving that number to finally call the lead. Only to realize that sometimes you end up dialing the wrong number, and by the time you finally connect, you've wasted minutes. And that's just for one lead. Imagine doing this for 100 leads a day, and then your sales team is losing hours they could have actually spent selling. But that doesn't have to be the case. With telecrm, you don't even need to save your client's number to call them. You can capture and store all your lead information in one place. From there, all you have to do is click on the call button and telecrm's mobile application will automatically dial the number for you. What's more, with telecrm's click to call from web feature, you can trigger the call directly from the web application with one click. You need to connect your headphones in your mobile device, click on the call button on the web application, and telecrm will automatically dial the number from your mobile phone. So all that wasted time on manual tasks is gone, and your sales reps can entirely focus on closing more deals without having to worry about manual errors. And calling is just the start. From the same dashboard, you can track the entire lead history, see call duration, listen to call recordings to monitor how well your sales rep performed during the call, and add sales notes right after a call to note down important details. So the next time you speak to a lead, you know exactly where the conversation left off and how to move it forward. So what are you waiting for? Switch to telecrm today to improve your sales team's efficiency and boost your sales.